Hello to all my friends and family who are listening to our stories. Oh, Connie's got something to tell me. Oh, she asked how many of you looked at the video of her family under the sea. You did, Mackenzie. That's fantastic. And Darcy. Harrison, did you see that? It's a lovely little video and it's on the YouTube channel, so check it out. Today we've got a story called Bridget Fidget, Hold On Tight. When Bridget Fidget's wobbly tooth fell out, she popped it under her pillow and told Captain Cat to look out for tooth fairies. Have you lost a tooth yet? You have? That's exciting. Captain Cat was Bridget's special one and only, and even in her dreams she held on tightly to him. Here's a picture of Bridget Fidget and Captain Cat in bed. I bet you've got a special one and only too that you take to bed. Well, the next morning, the tooth had gone and in its place was a shiny golden coin. Wow. Hold on tight to my shiny golden coin, Captain Cat said Bridget. We're going shopping to the best shop in the whole world. And Bridget skipped to the shops. Dinglebang's universe of toys. Oh my goodness, look at that, a ginormous toy shop. That's exciting. Bridget was so excited, she didn't wait for Mummy. She zoomed through the revolving doors and headed straight for her favourite part of the shop. Hold on tight, Captain Cat. But oh dear, oh no, uh-oh. What happened to Captain Cat? Bridget was in such a hurry, he dropped out. She didn't notice. Have you ever seen so many toy cats? Said Bridget to Captain Cat. Of course, none of them is nearly as special as you. Look at all those toy cats. Can you see Captain Cat? Yes, he's over there. Just then, Billy from school pedalled past in his brand new Super Zoom 500. Hello, Bridget, said Billy. Where's Captain Cat? In my backpack, of course, replied Bridget, turning round so Billy could see. No, he isn't, said Billy. And there's the empty backpack. And Billy was right. Captain Cat was 100% not there. No, cried Bridget. He's my special one and only, and I've just got to find him. Oh, she's pretty upset. I bet you'd be upset if you lost your special one and only. Bridget ran to tell Mummy but tripped over and then skidded through a pile of cardboard boxes. Oh my goodness. Nothing is going right for Bridget Fidget. When Bridget opened her eyes, Dinglebangs had disappeared and she was all alone. Quick as a flash, Bridget leapt to her feet. Hold on tight, Captain Cat, she cried. I'm coming. Bridget couldn't find Captain Cat anywhere, so she sat down on a pink cloud and had some quiet time. Is Bridget Fidget being quiet? Looks like she's having a good cry. There you are, Bridget Fidget, said Billy, magically appearing from nowhere. Your mummy's looking for you. And I've looked everywhere for Captain Cat, sobbed Bridget. He's my special one and only, and now he's lost forever, and I can't go on without him. Wait a minute, said Billy. There he is! And there he was. He's been catnapped, cried Bridget. Then there's only one thing for it, said Billy. Can you see Captain Cat? He's in the basket of that little girl. Hold on tight, Bridget Fidget. Oh, look at Billy speeding in his car. They're chasing after Captain Cat. Everyone, that is, except the little girl called Marley, who'd found Captain Cat in her basket and decided to take care of him. Luckily, Bridget had a bright idea. Do you still have my shiny golden coin, Captain Cat? And with a bit of extra money from Mummy, Bridget knew just what to buy with it. There's the gold coin from her tooth fairy. A ballet cat for Marley, a racing cat for Billy, and for Bridget and Captain Cat, I got lost in Dinglebangs badges. Look at those beautiful toy cats. And the I got lost in Dinglebangs badges. Oh, Captain Cat, I'll never let go of you again, said Bridget. And she didn't. All the way home, all through supper, and even all through bath time, Bridget Fidget held on tight to Captain Cat. You're worth more than all the shiny golden coins in the world, said Bridget. Besides, I'm not sure, but I think I might have another wobbly tooth. Nighty-night. Oh, I'm so glad Bridget Fidget got back Captain Cat. She was very upset. Oh, what's that, Connie? Oh, Connie said, what's the name of your special one and only? Tell me now. Bye-bye.